Hello and welcome to our channel Nuturemite, where we provide informative videos regarding health and lifestyle. Please like, share and subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon for important notification and videos.
Dates. Dates are grown in the tropical regions of the world. Dates are sweet in taste and are chewy. They are the fruits of date palm tree. Scientific name of dates is Phoenix dactylifera. Medjool and Deglet Noor dates are the most commonly consumed varieties. Fresh dates are fairly small in size and range in color from bright red to bright yellow. Western countries that sold dates are almost dry. Dates are the fruit of the date palm tree, which is grown in many tropical regions of the world, have become quite popular in recent years. They are one of the best versatile foods that can regulate the digestive process and have gained popularity in recent times. Date palm trees are cultivated all over the world, especially across tropical regions. You can also use date molasses, a natural sweetener made from date syrup, in your smoothies or desserts in place of sugar. Dried dates have wrinkled skin, whereas a fresh date have a smooth skin. Have many health benefits like promoting eye health, preventing night blindness, muscle development, brain health, regularity. It also have anti-inflammatory, antioxidant and anti-tumor properties. High in disease-fighting antioxidants. Dates contains a lot of antioxidants. It also reduces the risk of many diseases. The antioxidants present in dates protect the cell membranes from free radical damage. These have highest antioxidant content. They contain flavonoids, phenolic acid, which helps to reduce inflammation, diabetes, certain types of cancer, and Alzheimer's disease. It also contains carotenoids, which protects from eye problems, macular degeneration, and promotes heart health. Good source of energy. These contains glucose, sucrose, and fructose, which helps to increase the energy levels in the body. It also helps to regain energy immediately after exhaustion from a workout. People who follow Islam and observe fastings break their fast by eating them along with water. This also helps avoid overeating of food once the fast is over. Dates rich in fiber may help relieve constipation. Dates help in relieving constipation. It contains fiber which promote healthy bowel movement and ensures the comfortable digestion of food through the intestinal tract. They contain both high levels of dietary fiber and insoluble fiber, which promotes healthy digestion and relieves the symptoms of constipation. Relief from intestinal disorders. They contain amino acids and both soluble and insoluble fibers, which promotes digestion and relieves in many diseases like gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD, diverticulitis, and hemorrhoids. Give relief from anemia. They contain a good source of iron, which helps in the treatment of anemia and its symptoms. Prevent heart diseases. Dates contains antioxidants and potassium, which is responsible for reducing stroke and decrease oxidative stress. It helps to lower the blood pressure and reduces the risk of diseases such as atherogenesis and other heart-related diseases. Treat sexual dysfunction. Dates help to increase male fertility. These contains estradiol and flavonoid, which helps in increasing sperm count and motility. Prevent night blindness. Dates contain carotenoids, which promotes healthy vision and promotes night blindness. Help treat chronic diarrhea. Dates help in treating in chronic diarrhea as it contains high fiber content. May have cancer-fighting properties. Dates slow down the development of cancer cells and improves bowel health. Bone health. Because of boron, magnesium, calcium and phosphorus, dates maintains bone health. It also makes the bone stronger, thus reducing the risk of osteoporosis. Dates may promote healthy weight gain. Dates promotes healthy weight gain as it contains proteins, sugars, and high in fiber. Aid in relieving symptoms of SAR. Dates helps in the treatment of allergic rhinitis and seasonal allergic rhinitis. May promote brain health. They lower inflammatory levels in the brain and help in improving the brain health. It also promotes better memory and relieves in anxiety. It also helps in reducing inflammation as it contains flavonoids. May promote natural labor. Dates lower the need of induced labor in pregnant women. It also reduces the labor time. They contain tannins, which helps to maintain energy levels during labor. Dates should be consumed early in the morning and at night. They go well with cured meat as well as tangy flavors like citrus, yogurt, mild goat cheese, and blue cheese. They also pair well with warm flavors like cinnamon, cardamom, and ginger, and other fruits like pears, apples, and bananas. Uses of dates. Start by soaking dates in water overnight to help them soften up. Next, add soaked dates and a bit of soaking liquid to a food processor and blend to make a thick, fiber-rich date paste. This remedy will help you in relieving in constipation. If you have a cranky stomach which grumbles to digest the food, here is remedy with dates to rectify it. Finely chop 5 to 6 fresh dates. Mix these with a teaspoon of ghee and a pinch of pepper powder. Consume this in empty stomach in morning and drink a small glass of warm water. You can eat or drink after 2 hours. This relieves constipation, sets digestive power, and strengthens the digestive system. When you have a muscle pull or muscle cramp, apply a poultice of date sugar on affected part. Warm 2 teaspoons of sesame oil, mix date sugar in it. Apply this warm poultice on aching muscle. This relieves pain. Chop around 15 fresh dates, mix it with 10 teaspoons of ghee. Add a pinch of ginger powder, cardamom powder, and few strands of saffron. Store this in a jar and do not refrigerate it. Consume 1 teaspoon of this in early morning. People who are willing to gain weight, pregnant women, and people with low energy levels can use this. This is an effective Ayurvedic remedy for erectile dysfunction. People with high cholesterol and persons who are on weight loss program refrain from using this. Diabetes people can use this if their blood cholesterol levels are in normal limits. Some more uses. We all know that refined sugar makes us obese. If you are on a weight loss program, use date sugar instead of white raw sugar. It is a healthy substitute which contains lots of iron. People use this in pregnancy. When acidity bites the belly, finely chop 2 fresh dates and mix it with a spoon of honey and consume it. It prevents palpitation and boosts energy. Kids usually get diarrhea during teething. At that time, mix half teaspoon date sugar and half teaspoon honey and give this to a child 2 to 3 times in a day. Palm sugar milk or Kharjura Shakra Kshira is a very good recipe to boost strength, increase libido, and nourish recuperating patients. This recipe increases sperm count and helps in erectile dysfunction. Dates and carrot salad is the best Vajikarana or aphrodisiac food. A drink in which milk is processed with dates is known as Vrishya Shira or aphrodisiac meal. It is very useful for men with impotence. Ways to use dates. Use dates in cookies, snack bars. It can also be used in smoothies, oatmeal, in salad dressings, and marinades. Dates can be used with milk and yogurt. It can also be used as a bread spread. Use dates in place of ordinary sugar. How to buy and store dates. Dates are available in all grocery stores and supermarkets. Buy the variety of dates which provide maximum benefit like Medjool dates, Noor dates or ajwa dates, store dates at a room temperature in a cool place inside an air-sealed container where they can stay well for several months. Dates can be readily available in the groceries year-round. Some varieties of fresh, soft, good quality fruits. However, only found from September through December. In certain dry regions of Africa, dates gathered while just reaching maturity and allowed to ripen inside the jars. In the stores, one may come across soft, semi-dry and dried types display for sale. At home, store them at room temperature. Season in which dates are available. They are available all year round. Fresh dates are available from September to December. Safety profile. Eating dates in excess can cause health issues and increase the weight as they are high in sugar and calories. Fun facts. First, date fruits have been present in the Middle East and Northern Africa as a local food for more than 7,000 years. They have been agricultural produced for 5,000 years. Second, date fruits are very nutritious and have lots of vitamins A, B, D, and sugar, fructose. What makes them great source of energy? Third, due to availability, people use them for longer boat trips, crossing deserts, and they even stocked them in fortresses and used them for survival food when they were besieged. Correctly stocked date fruits can last for several years. Fourth, joining camel milk with date fruits makes them unbeatable team. Camel milk is rich with fat and vitamin C, and joining vitamin A, B, and D makes them a perfect nutrition combination. An adult can survive with only 15 date fruits per day. With them, your body gets all the necessary minerals and vitamins for its existence. Fifth, when in Oman a son is born, they plant him a date tree. The date tree grows together with him and secures him that his family will never suffer hunger. Sixth, UAE has more than 199 different types of date fruit. The country has around 44 million palm trees. Oman is behind UAE, having only 8 million palm trees. The top country for date fruits producing is Egypt. Saudi Arabia and Iran follow. Oman and UAE are still among top 10 producers of date fruits in the world. There are more than 1,000 different types of date fruits known. Interesting things about dates. First, date fruit stones are used for making soap and even eyeliners. Second, for pollinations, female and male date trees are needed, having only 2 days' time. Third, date trees were not used only because of date fruits. They used them for shades in the desert. Their leaves were used to make baskets, carpets, fence, and even trays. The trunk was used as a frame for tents and for making furniture. Its fiber was good for ropes, fish traps, brushes, and filling mattresses and pillows. Due to popularity of date fruits around the world, people started to use also date syrup, which is made from grind dried dates. According to Islamic tradition, the date tree is the tree of life in Garden of Eden. The word date comes from the Greek word dactylis meaning finger. 1 cup of dates has about 400 calories, 27% of the recommended daily requirement of potassium, and 48% of daily fiber needs. Very few people are allergic to this fruit. Their low water and high sugar content gives them a shelf life of many months. Dates made nomadic life and trade possible in the very dry and hot regions of the Middle East and North Africa. Because the tree and its fruit have so many uses, from food to building materials, the date palm is known as the tree of life in the Middle East, and it's the national symbol of Saudi Arabia and Israel. Astonishing things to know. Date palm seeds can go dormant for decades until the right light and water conditions are just right. Some scholars believe a date, not an apple, was the real fruit mentioned in the Bible's Garden of Eden. Dates were probably cultivated about 8,000 years ago in present-day Iraq. Date palm trees need at least 100 days of 100-degree Fahrenheit heat and plenty of water to produce the best quality fruit. Dates and laban or buttermilk are traditionally used by Muslims to break the Ramadan fast each evening. Ancient Egyptian hieroglyphics mark years with images of full date palms as the trees grow 12 new pounds a year. About 3% of the Earth's farmland is covered by date palms, producing 4 million tons a year. The bulk of US dates are grown in California's Coachella Valley. High temperatures and irrigation from the Colorado River make growing conditions ideal. There are more than 200 varieties of dates. Medjool, large and caramel-like, is the hardest to grow and therefore one of the most expensive to buy. Ancient Mesopotamians considered the date an aphrodisiac. It's the symbol of the goddess Ishtar, prototype of Venus and Aphrodite. Date palms were brought to Spain from North Africa around 800 AD. Spanish explorers brought seeds to Cuba in the 1500s. Missionaries planted them in Baja California in 1765, while other varieties were imported to California in the early 1900s.
Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon for important notifications and videos.